I became a first time homeowner back in 2025. And don't get me wrong, I knew that there were going to be some hidden expenses when it came to owning a home, but I was not ready for how big that list actually is. In this video, we're going over all of the hidden expenses of home ownership so you can be ready and prepared before you go to buy a home. Let's get into it. Owning a home can be incredibly rewarding, but unlike renting, you're responsible for almost everything that goes wrong. Understanding those responsibilities ahead of time can help you avoid expensive surprises. The first hidden cost is maintenance. Every house is going to need upkeep. Things wear out, appliances break, roofs need repaired, and eventually you can't just continue to avoid these problems. Some years might only require a few minor fixes. Other years could include replacing an HVAC system, repairing a roof, or fixing plumbing issues, all of which can cost thousands of dollars. Next up is property taxes. Many people, when they go to buy a house, look at what the monthly mortgage payment is going to be and what their interest rate is. But so many forget that property taxes actually make up a decent chunk of that monthly payment. For me, property tax was the one that got me. I pay over $300 in property tax every month for a house that's under $400,000. We're one of the highest tax rates in the entire county, just so happens to be that way, and there's nothing that you can really do about it. Property taxes can vary depending on where you live, and unlike a fixed rate mortgage, they can increase over time if your home's assessed value rises or local tax rates change. That means your monthly housing payment can increase, even if your mortgage payment itself doesn't. Now, another expense that people often underestimate is homeowners insurance. Lenders usually require it for a home mortgage, but oftentimes buyers don't realize how much those prices can actually be. Factors like your location, the age of your home, your deductible, and local weather risks can all affect your insurance costs. And just like property taxes, insurance premiums can change over time. Another one is utilities. If you're moving from renting an apartment or in a smaller home to now a larger house, your utilities are probably going to be a lot more than they used to be, so be ready for that. Homeowners are often responsible for electricity, water, sewer, trash collection, internet, natural gas, and sometimes additional services. Larger homes generally cost more to heat and cool, especially during extreme weather. And if you're buying a home in a neighborhood with an HOA, hope you enjoy those HOA fees. When I first joined my neighborhood, they told me that the HOA was $68 a month with lawn maintenance included, and it was for the first 4 months. And then they raised it almost 50% up to $92 a month. So be ready for that as well. HOA fees help maintain shared amenities and common areas, but they also add to your monthly housing costs. Some neighborhoods have modest fees, while others can be several $100s per month. Another thing that catches a lot of homeowners off guard is all of the things that you need when you move in, whether it is furniture, whether it is new appliances, electronics, any number of things that could add up in cost. Those things are going to reveal themselves before long. New furniture, curtains, blinds, lawn equipment, paint, storage shelves, even if none of these purchases are required immediately, they often add up much faster than people expect. Finally, every single homeowner should prepare for some kind of an emergency, whether it's a leak, whether it's an appliance breaking. Something is most likely going to go wrong at some point, and you need to be prepared for that as well. Water heaters fail, air conditioners stop working, trees fall during storms. Having an emergency fund can make these situations much less stressful and help you avoid relying on high interest debt. Now, does any of this mean that it is not worth it to buy a home? Not at all. Buying a home is a gratifying thing for millions of people. It's also a way to build wealth, but it's also super important to budget for these unexpected expenses. The more prepared you are for these hidden costs, the more likely you are to come out on top in the end by being prepared for them so that they're not a financial burden when they do come up. Altogether, common knowledge suggests that you should plan for about 3% of your home's value in expenses each year. So be ready for that. So before buying a home, make sure that you are prepped and ready for the following: home maintenance and repairs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, HOA fees if applicable, furniture and home improvements, and also any other emergency expenses. Understanding these costs ahead of time is crucial to not spreading yourself too thin when it comes to buying a home. Yes, the monthly mortgage payment is really important, but it is not everything that you need to allow for. Keep all of this stuff in mind. I'm curious, what hidden expense of owning a home surprises you the most? If you already have a house, what surprised you the most when you moved in? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future home owning tips. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.